TFNN. Headline News Update.
Welcome, folks. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida. It's 3 p.m. Eastern time on Friday. Let me make sure I get my charts up there. There we go. And we got markets in negative territory, but they've pulled back from the lows, charging higher for most of the afternoon. We'll see if we can get in positive territory for the last hour of the day. Right now, S&P is negative by 18 points, trading at 29.21. We get the Dow off 57, trading at 26,320, and the Nasdaq negative by 69 points, trading at 79.69. Notes and bonds, pretty calm day. We got a little bit of lower price and higher yield. The 10-year negative 7 ticks, 129.22. 30-year negative 8 ticks, 161.10. Gold flat at 1508.80, but we had some volatility for the last 24 hours. And oil up about $2 at 54.56. We'll start things off. Let's jump over to the charts. We'll start it off with the Dow. As I mentioned, markets in negative territory, but quite a comeback. Early today, we're down at 26,077. The Dow now more than 200 points off that low. Quite a cup formation. Mr. Basil Chapman of the Chapman Wave loves those cup and handle formations. Doesn't get much cleaner than that in terms of symmetrical on the down, on the up. NASDAQ 100 didn't quite make it up to where we were this morning, but quite a bounce as well. Trading at 76.64. We were down here at about 75.97 earlier in the day. S&P is pretty similar to the NASDAQ, currently trading 29.21. Got down actually below 2,900 briefly, just at around noon Eastern time. Crude oil charging higher for most of the day, currently trading 54.52. Gold contract volatility, as I mentioned, flat for the session, but we were up at about 15.20 on a few occasions overnight. And the euro-US dollar trading at 112.05. In terms of what else you have happening over there, jumping to a chart of the yield. Quite a number as we get a little volatility. Look at that movement. In terms of 10:30 a.m. this morning, we're trading at 1.6778% yield. We're now trading at 1.73. Not small moves. They may seem small in the context of where we've been in that yield, but pretty remarkable the volatility you're getting in that bond market. Jumping over to currencies. Dollar index. Early this morning, we were trading up at about 97,600. You trade down to 97,350 about, and we're up a bit. And then where else are we? To take a look, how about one of the stocks of the day? Uber. As they came out with their earnings last night, losing $5.2 billion in 90 days. They're trading at $40.15, down about 6.5%. Stay tuned, folks. Tom coming back, wraps up the final hour of the trading week. Should be an exciting market. See if these markets can finish in the positive. Stay tuned. Tom O'Brien coming up right now.